Mommy, please, it's just a birthday party. Everyone is going. I won't stay late, I promise. No, night parties are not for you. I said no.
Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to create your video using Grok for free. Yes, so just follow me step by step. So on your Chrome browser, so please don't forget to do it, to like, comment, please subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be uploading free tutorial. So if you don't subscribe, if I upload another free tutorial, you will not YouTube may not show you my video. So do well to subscribe to this channel, like, also share. So let's get started. On Chrome browser, I click on Chrome browser and type Kia API. Kia API. Click on the arrow button. So let me change the desktop site. Let me change from desktop site so that we're able to see it. So this is the app Kia AI API. So this, we are seeing it. So you click on it. So after clicking on it, so this is the interface. This is the interface. So you scroll down, you log in, you sign up with your Google account. So I'm signing in. You click your, then continue, sign in with your Google account. Yes. So after that, then you scroll down, sorry, there, and mind you, let me to tell you, there are so many AI model that you can use for free here. You see, we have Sora 2, we have Nano Banana. This, can you see this old model? We have 64, sorry, 64 model found. Then you meet Journey API. So in this one API, Cloud Ops. So there are so many. OpenAI, Clink, Clink AI, Gemini Pro, Nano Banana. We can also generate an image here, Cadence. So let me scroll back. Then you click on this search mode. You click on this search mode. So you click on this search mode here to, so you type Grok. So let's search for Grok. Let's search for Grok. See this Grok. Grok Imagine. Grok Imagine. Then you click on Grok Imagine. You click on text to video. Click on text to video. Try it. So after clicking on it, then you scroll down, you scroll down, you scroll down. So first thing to do, you click on, we click on, we have already clicked on image to video. This is the image to video. This image to video. Then you scroll down like this. Start scrolling down. To add our, to scroll down to add our image. Here is the prompt. So to add our image, click here, remove to select file. So you must have your image ready. So get ready with your image. So I'm going to be using this image. So let's upload the image. Our image is loaded already. It's been loaded. Then you scroll down. So to add our prompt, so to get our prompt, I want to go to ChatGPT. My prompt is this, so I'm going to be copying the dialogue. So I'm going to be copying the dialogue. copy it, then paste it. So I've pasted my prompt. Then this mode, leave it in normal, leave it, so don't leave it in normal, then scroll down, then you choose aspect ratio, you scroll down like this, you choose so I'm using 9.16, so I'm using 9, duration 6 seconds, there is 10 seconds, but I want 6 seconds, or I don't know, maybe the 10 seconds is going to work. So the resolution 480, leave it at 480. Then okay, let me leave it at 6 seconds. 6 seconds. Leave at 6 seconds. Then where you see run, we'll click on it to let our video to know. So generating content, we are generating our content. Generating content. So let's wait for it to load. So our video is ready. So let's play
Mommy,
it.
please, it's just a birthday party. Everyone is going. I won't stay late, I promise. No, night parties are not for you. I said no.
Wow. So to download your video here, you click here. Click this download button to download the video. So let's download the video. So that's how to generate your video for with Grok for free. So try your own also. So let me generate another video. So I've saved the video. So let me generate the second scene. So then you remove the file, then you select the file again, the second scene here. Okay, let me choose this. Done. Let's wait for it to load. I want to get my second prompt. So where you add your prompts. So where you see prompts, this is where you to add your prompt. This way to please here. You see this index, leave it index. So don't draw it more than this. So just leave it at this one. So leave it at 1. Then to add our prompt, let me paste the prompt. Then you click on run also. Let's click on run to let our video to run. So this is the second video I'm creating here now on this Grok AI video with Grok Imagine for free. So once you know that you have they are not allowing you to generate video again. You can log out and sign in with another email. Yes. So that's how you can bypass to start generating your video consistently with Grok. So that's how you go about it. So please, if this video is helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to be giving you very good updates on AI tutorial, on free tutorial. So if you turn on your notification button, you will be the first person YouTube will show my once I post useful video like this. Thank you. Next thing I want to show you that, so once you click on this one, when you see that it's still running, you scroll down to see your video. To where you scroll down from the running, you scroll down so that you see video and generating content. So we wait for it to load.
They started posting
So
already.
this is the
Everyone is
second
there. I know it hurts.
video.
Why are
So
you lazy tomorrow?
start do it to go and create your home. See you in the next one. Bye.